Hi, I'm Brandon Helms with Kruger. I'm the Product Application Manager. Today we're going to be looking at the LMHS VP, which is Kruger's standard LMHS single duct terminal unit with a mounted valve package and water cool. So the reasons why you would order this from us rather than doing all this in the field is that we assemble it in the factory, and so that saves you time on installing all these individual valve components in the field, as well as paying for that high skilled labor at the job site as well, whereas we can do it in our factory with skilled technicians and be able to leak test and quality test it in our facility. The other reason why you would do this is that it's very fast to install compared to assembling all this after the terminal unit's been installed in the ceiling. You literally would just put it up into the ceiling, do 2 sweat connections on the end, and then there you go. So the valve package comes in different configurations. This is a 3-way. We can also offer in 2-way. It includes union connections for serviceability, PT ports for measuring pressure and temperature. The actuator can come in proportional, on, off, or 3-point floating. We also have a flow control valve to limit GPM, Y strainers, and then we always include a ball valve on the end for servicing as well. So next time you're looking at valve packages on a job site, please reach out to Kruger or your local representative and we can help you out.